is Myla. I am 44 years old and I'm from Baguio, Philippines. I am a single mother and I have two sons, age 27 years old and 11 years old. My highest education attainment is high school. And my expertise are taking caring of child and animal care. I work as a domestic helper in Hong Kong for 8 years, and currently I'm serving 3 people in the house, and my duties are taking caring of just 3 adults and cook Chinese food, go to market, and doing all the household work, cleaning, laundry, and ironing. And I'm willing to take care of pets. And to my future employer, Mom Sir, please choose me as your housemaid. And I am a hardworking and I am an honest person. I promise to be good as a housemaid and promise to prioritize my job and finish my contract. Thank you, Mom Sir. Looking forward to work with you.